Good morning and welcome to another episode of Pi Tou's Thai Kitchen. So today we'll be continuing from our last video and using up the other half of the curry paste. So today we'll be making Pad Phed beef. So Pad Phed just translates as stir-fried spicy. So it's using the curry paste, but using the curry paste as a stir-fry paste. So this is really spicy, tense, and it's a really great way to use the curry paste in a different way, in a way other than doing a curry. If that sounds good to you, and you know it does, stick around.
Welcome to Pi Tou Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make Pad Phed. We use red curry paste from yesterday. We make it with the beef and long bean. Okay, the ingredient: 2 tablespoons of the paste, red chili paste, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 300 grams of beef, and Thai long bean, 400 grams of Thai long bean, and 10 pieces of Kaffir lamb leaf. That's it, our ingredient. This one easy to cook for the people who get bored with the curry, or for the people who don't like curry, then you can make the easy way. Okay? Alright, then let's start. We start with the cooking oil. Make it hot. Yeah, we heat the cooking oil first. When it's hot, then we put the 2 tablespoons of red curry paste and fry. Okay, and you lower the gas a bit. Yeah, if not, your curry paste get burned. Okay, and fry it 5 minutes until you get nice smell. Okay, when you get nice smell, and then you put beef. And you fry with the curry paste mix until the beef have cooked. Actually, this one easy to cook and nice. This one also my favorite dish. Yeah, if you like prawn, you put prawn. If you like chicken, you put chicken. But I like beef with this one. You can taste more tasty. But you know this one, what type of beef I use? I use sirloin. You can use the top side and put the fish sauce we have prepared. And then sugar, 1.5 teaspoon. A little bit of water because this one cook a little bit dry. Nice and hot. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Okay. And this one have cooked and nice taste. Put Thai long bean. Okay. Kaffir lamb leaf.
I just put in like that big lot.
Yeah, if you like, you can slice. Yeah, or the big one. So nice. Both nice. Just you can get the smell from this. That's it. You see, only 5 minutes. That's it. Okay.
And with the curry paste, how long can you keep it?
You can keep in the normal temperature about a week, or if you want to keep it longer, you can put it in the freezer. You just divide by portion. With the sliced sweet chili. Okay.
You gonna say something?
Wait. Oh my god. Absolutely. Oh shit. So nice. Yeah. Very good. That's why I said this is my favorite dish. Yeah. But I don't want to say too much. If not, I fell in love with myself.
So guys, that's it for today. We'll see you next time. Stay safe, follow the rules, you know the score. And also don't forget to like, subscribe, and yes, bang that bell. We're moving along quite nicely now. I think by the time this video comes out, we should have hit 300 subscribers. Woohoo! Big numbers. but but seriously, we appreciate the support, and yeah, it shows that we're on the right path somewhat. We're still learning, so we thank you anyway for your greatly appreciated support. Bye.